Our venue today is Anfield, the home of Liverpool Football Club. I'm Martin Tyler, Alan Smith is with me. The game has all the elements really to excite us, and I'm sure it will live up to the billing. It's Liverpool against Inter.
I think if we get a nice, sharp, quick tempo to begin with, we're in for a real treat here because we've got a couple of entertaining sides that love to go forward.
James Milner. Number 9, Roberto Firmino. Number 11, Mohamed Salah. And number 10, Sadio Mane.
This is the Liverpool side. Looking at the lineup, he's got all the components in place, hasn't he, the manager, for the pressing style of play that's been a feature of his team.
Yep, and many an opponent has found it difficult to cope with. If your touch isn't spot on against this aggressive type of closing down, you're going to lose it in dangerous areas.
This is Inter's lineup. Sami Handanovic starts in goal. Stefan de Vrij plays with Diego Godin as the centre-backs. Nicolo Barella starts with Christian Eriksen in midfield. In attack, Romelu Lukaku starts alongside Lautaro Martinez as the two forwards. Such a historic ground, Anfield, and of course made bigger in the last couple of years with this big stand which we broadcast from.
Yeah, and I think it was a thoughtful addition to this ground because they've managed to retain the atmosphere. Obviously add a few thousand fans into the bargain.
The kick-off coming from Liverpool. Trent Alexander-Arnold, Jordan Henderson, Wijnaldum, Alexander-Arnold, Mohamed Salah trying to get behind the defenders to get in a good cross. Danger was looming large, but they've got themselves back on the ball. Ashley Young, Lukaku, Martinez, Asamoah. Encouraging play from this team now, keeping the ball. Well, winning the ball back with the interception might lead to a break for them. Very good physicality from him to shield the ball. He has cleared it well. For Liverpool then, the wait continues. They haven't been champions of England since 1990. Of course, prior to that, they were... Good vision here. Oh, chance! Well, they managed to dig themselves out of a pretty deep hole then. It was a great chance, I thought, but they're safe again. Taken by Eriksen. Can't put any pressure on the goalkeeper like that. Easy pickings from the corner. Eriksen. Romelu Lukaku. Brozovic. A great chance to go in front. Turned aside there by the keeper. A couple of teammates up in support, and defender can get it upfield. And the tackler has been very successful there. He's got possession. That will be offside. Flag went up. In to get the throw. Eriksen. Come back to get a touch and get involved in the game. Out into the wide areas now. Game still level, but the pressure might be counting. The target, players in the centre. Hasn't held it, the goalkeeper. He'll feel good about that. A really strong and clean tackle. Into the attacking third. James Milner. Mohamed Salah. On to Henderson. Delivered into the box. And it will be a corner here. In goes the corner. Got to get it over the first man defending, and they haven't done that from the corner. A little bit risky, this manoeuvre of dropping off, because the ball will keep coming at them and they won't be able to get out. They're coming in at the back post, his teammates. Great save.
Well, the fans recognising this is a really good chance to go ahead in this match. It's been tight, but this could be a good opportunity.
Corner played into the middle. Good defending. Dealt with a decent cross. Henderson. Roberto Firmino. That looked very good indeed, but the move has broken down. Barella. Eriksson. Well, suddenly they could be on the counter-attack. Nicola Barella. Christian Eriksen. Looking for Asamoah. And they get it away. Young. Swung it into the box. Well, then it came with a swirl on it, and the keeper did well to flip it over the bar. Swung in from the corner. It's wonderful work from the goalkeeper again from the header.
Well, he was on his toes, he was ready for it. Good stop.
The keeper stops it. There could be a follow-up now. Cleared away by the defender. Nice return pass. Players arriving in the middle. They had a chance really to put that into a much more dangerous area. Has to go down as a poor cross. Routine for the keeper.
Well, as we can see, there's not much at all to choose between these two teams in terms of possession. You do wonder if one of these teams can make the difference in the remainder of this match.
Van Dijk. Milner. Wijnaldum. To Robertson. It's Mane. Roberto Firmino. That's good passing, probing. Henderson with Mane now. Decent opportunity there, but it was easy in the end for the goalkeeper.
Well, I don't know what was wrong there, whether he took his eye off the ball. He certainly didn't connect with it how he should have.
Nicola Barella. Diego Godin. Barella. Moving forward now with real danger. Inter. Defended well.
The referee has indicated there will be a minimum of 3 minutes of added time.
Van Dijk. Wijnaldum. Jordan Henderson. James Milner. Intercepted well. Well, that is half-time, and the score is 0-0 here.
Caffè Nescafè ti porta l'aroma e il calore di paesi lontani. Gran aroma, dal gusto morbido e pieno. Classic, forte e deciso. Le grandi qualità di Caffè Nescafè. È un prodotto Nestlé.
Integrali misura, per mettere d'accordo la buona tavola con la buona forma, con tutta l'esperienza misura nell'alimentazione integrale.
At Anfield, the second half is now underway. Eriksen, bit predictable with the passing and the opposition able to deal with that. Solidly away. Romelu Lukaku, rather hoisted into the middle and way over his teammates. Eriksen, a chance to whip it in here. Well read by the defender. It goes out wide again. On the cross, blocked well by the defender. Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain. Mohamed Salah. Trent Alexander-Arnold. Roberto Firmino. Continue to knock the ball around, looking for the opening. Substitution for Inter. Break quickly when they get possession. Still progress. Well, this could be an opportunity. In behind the defence. No nonsense defending. It was needed. Two substitutions to come, one from each camp. Now Skurjaw. They'll get a free kick for that. And the goalkeeper, it's his ball.
Well, look at that, very little for the supporters to be cheering on either side. So little goal action. Both keepers, they could have been reading a newspaper so far.
That's offside against Alexis Sanchez. Liverpool want to make a change here. Inter get the throw. Skurjaw. Here's Naby Keita. We've reached the hour mark. Half an hour to go. Now Sadio Mane. Roberto Firmino can go in from here. I think the opposition looked as though they believed they'd get through them, but they haven't, and now they can get on the ball and play. Going forward well. Oxlade-Chamberlain. Here's Andrew Robertson. Working the opposition over a little bit here with their passing. Could get the ball into the box now. Strong tackle to break up the play. Lukaku. Christian Eriksen. Nicola Barella. Sanchez. Taking on the opposition and the responsibility as well. Support coming from a deeper position. How about that for a goal? It's given them the breakthrough, and they've had to work very hard to find a way through this defence. But when it came, it was superbly taken. And they're absolutely thrilled with the way they've got the lead here. Well, you get a lot of satisfaction as a goal-scoring forward for knocking one in from that distance. You know you're in the right place.
No, it was a poacher's effort. The final finish wasn't difficult, but to get there, that took a little bit of instinct.
So that's Inter now in the lead.
Inter goal, number 24, Christian Eriksen.
Wijnaldum.
Substitution for Liverpool coming off the pitch.
Gomez.
Number 14, Jordan Henderson.
Mohamed Salah.
Replaced by number 15.
Wijnaldum into the attacking third.
Substitution for Inter coming off the
Probing
pitch.
away, working away at the opposition with these passes.
Asamoah. Coming onto the pitch, number 7.
It's Young with the ball.
Alexis Sanchez.
Christian Eriksen. Well played. Alexis Sanchez. Good work by the goalkeeper. To Young. So we're coming down now towards the last 15 minutes. Taking on a couple of opponents now. Good width in the attack here, looking for a cross at the end of it. That's a very decent ball in, not far away from one of his men in the middle. Good, clean tackle.
Well, the Liverpool players need to step it up, and the fans in this stadium are doing the best to make sure they do that.
Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain. Well, the team with the ball have got a problem now because the opposition are just sitting behind. Clever ball. Mohamed Salah. Put in from the wide area. Well read by the defender. Christian Eriksen. Alexis Sanchez. Eriksen. An opportunity here. There's some space to work the ball into. Players arriving in the middle. And he's taken the chance beautifully. Well, they've extended their lead in this game. And the gap between these two sides is reflected now on the scoreline.
Great understanding there between the crosser and the lad in the middle. Lost his marker brilliantly.
Let's have another peek at that goal.
Well, I think this manager was pessimistic coming into this game, and those fears are being realised now. His team trailing by a good margin.
Just widen the margin here to 2-0.
Goal for Inter, number 9, Romelu Lukaku.
Wijnaldum. Oh, he spotted the pass and cut it out. Joel Matip. Joe Gomez. Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain. Jorginho Wijnaldum. He's overhit it, really. There was a chance to get a player in then. Roberto Firmino could get a goal back here. That's a good save from a venomous shot. In goes the corner. Decent distance from the punch from the goalkeeper.
there will be a minimum of 3 minutes.
They've gone wide, chance to get the ball in the box. Still dangerous here off the goalkeeper. Anticipated the direction of the pass and was able to intervene. He's got a bit of pressure on. Roberto Firmino. Good distance to the clearance then. Romelu Lukaku. Well, the game has run its course here, and there's the final whistle.